Hey lovely people, today we are making an amazing hair shampoo formulated with great ingredients. So today the search for the best shampoo stops right here. It's a pleasure having you back. If it's your first time here, welcome, and kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you cannot miss any time I post a new video. I don't know if I'm the only one who loves shampoos that leaves the hair soft and detangles hair so easily. If you do, comment down below. So I'm using about 3/4 cup flaxseed. I would recommend you use the quantity according to your hair length and volume. Flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acids, which give important proteins and nutrients to the hair follicles. It helps in boosting blood circulation in the scalp and also inhibit hair follicles inflammation, which bring about hair fall. So this is how flaxseeds looks like. Flaxseeds helps also to restore the health of your hair. It improves the hair texture, reduces frizz, and thickens your hair, as well as adding shine. If your hair is dull, consider adding this shampoo to your hair regimen. Next, put on the heat and add about 2 cups water. I wanted a runny consistency for the gel. Continue stirring to prevent the seeds from sticking on the pan. Once you see the foaming, the gel is ready. Put off the heat.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes.
So while still hot, I'm sieving the gel using my sieve. I wanted to obtain the seeds, so do not throw the seeds away after making the flaxseed gel. I'll be showing you how you can make your flaxseed shampoo. Watch to the end so that you cannot miss any steps.
I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push.
So I'm transferring that to my blending cup. I'm going to set the gel aside for later use. You can use it as a pre-poo before shampooing your hair. You can also use it as an after rinse, or even use it in your daily or weekly moisturizing routine.
I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws into flawless traits, I build tall, never capped in space, I won't stop till I hear him say,
To the flax seeds, I'm adding water, and then I will proceed and blend to get my flaxseed milk.
I hear him say.
I'm then using my sieve cloth to sieve the mixture and then squeezing to get my moisture milk. We are making a hydrating shampoo that will combat dryness of your hair. That is, if your hair is dry, it will repair the hair because flaxseed is good at binding moisture, and these reduce breakage and split ends. It will strengthen your hair and improve the elasticity of the hair. As always, I say that it's not easy for your hair to break if it has the right elasticity. The shampoo soothes the scalp and improves overall scalp health. It prevents common scalp issues such as irritation and dandruff. Flaxseed contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect your hair from damage and free radicals, reducing inflammation and thus promoting healthy hair follicles, and this encourages healthy hair growth.
Man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class of...
Next, I'm adding oils. My oil of choice today is castor oil. You can add any oil that you love, so I'm adding it to my flaxseed milk. Adding oils to your shampoo is important because you are guaranteed to have a little left in your hair after washing, and so your hair is not left dry. Next, I'm adding glycerin. This extra oil moisturizes your hair without making it greasy.
Lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time.
I'm also adding my eucalyptus essential oil, and then I'm starting to mix everything in.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw.
Next, I'm adding my 20 ml of my Triseme shampoo. You can add a shampoo of your choice, not necessarily this one, just to help it lather easily. I'm then transferring the mixture into my shampoo bottle. If you don't have a shampoo bottle, you can use any bottle that can dispense the shampoo easily when washing your hair.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
So our flaxseed shampoo is ready. Just make sure you shake well before use. On storage, you can refrigerate these for up to 5 days, but I would recommend to just make enough for your wash day, and you can make another one on your next wash day. On application, apply this shampoo on your scalp, massage it thoroughly, and then from your hair root to the tips. Massage it gently, leave it for 15 minutes on your hair, and then rinse it off with warm water. It leaves your hair feeling soft, detangled, shiny, and the scalp clean and healthy, free from build-up. So guys, the search for the best shampoo stops here. This shampoo is good enough for you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe, and see you on the next one.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till